Hi, first grade friends, and welcome to Math with Miss Applewhite. And today we are going to begin learning about money, money, money. Why is money important? How about you? Yes, to get the stuff we need. You're exactly right. We need money in order to buy the stuff we need or want. Without money, we wouldn't have food, a house, clothes, and a lot of the things we enjoy. So you need to learn money because you will use money for the rest of your life. So today we are going to begin learning about the coins. My first coin looks like this, and I bet you all have seen this coin before. So does anybody have any idea what this coin is called? What's it called? You. Yes, it's called a penny. Everybody, let's say it. Penny. Good job. So let's look like here. This is a penny. Color it brown. So it looks like a brown. It's also known as copper. But when you are coloring, your crayon box doesn't typically have the color copper. So it's super close to brown. So we're going to think of it as brown. Miss Applewhite doesn't have a brown, but we'll pretend. Okay, now it's brown. It says here, this little guy right here is telling me, this is Abraham Lincoln. He was our 16th president. So this right here is the front of our penny. And on the front of our penny is Abraham Lincoln. And he was the 16th president. And if you remember, back when we did our Ordinary People Change the World, our famous American unit, we learned about Abraham Lincoln. And we remember how he helped to free the slaves and how he wanted all people to be treated equally. So it's really cool that somebody we already learned about is on our money. Now, this is the back of our coin. Zoom in. Very good. This is the Lincoln Memorial. You can visit it in Washington, D.C. So we honor Lincoln by having a memorial to help celebrate all the great work he did for our country. So that's really awesome to know how something we learned about is now something we see every day on our money. So remember, on the front of our penny, we will find Abraham Lincoln, and on the back, we will find the Lincoln Memorial. So you guys are going to log into Seesaw after this, and you will find this sheet right here. This activity in Seesaw is actually going to be used all week, so do not submit it today or on Tuesday or on Wednesday, but you will finally press that green check mark on Thursday. So today, once you finish this activity, you will click Save as Draft because this is only page 1 of our activity on money. So page 1 of our activity is this right here. It says a penny is worth blank cent. Does anybody know how much this penny is worth? How about you? Yes, this penny is worth 1 cent. Great job. So I can write it like 1 cent, and the word cent is there for me. But you also might see it written like this, 1 cent. The C with the line through it is the symbol for cents. So this penny is worth 1 cent. How about if I had this penny? How many cents do I have? 1, 2, 3. Yes, you're exactly right. It's 3 cents. What if I add one more? 1, 2, 3, 4 cents. Very good. So each penny is worth 1 cent. Then, when I go back to my sheet, it says for me to trace the word penny. Now, it might be a little hard in Seesaw. Just do the best you can. Because I know sometimes using our fingers, it doesn't look very good. And sometimes it's not exactly what we want. So just try your best. If you can't make it work, it's okay. Then at the bottom right here, it says color all of the pennies brown. So you will find your brown and you will color the pennies. There are 14. See if you can be the detective and find them all. So this is the front. Remember, if I see a coin with Abraham Lincoln on it, it's a penny. And if on the back I see the Lincoln Memorial and it also says 1 cent, then I know that is a penny too. So you will color all of your pennies brown. There are 14, remember, so make sure you find them all. And when I am finished, I do not hit that green check. I click Save as Draft. What did I click? Save as Draft. One more time, what do I click? Save as Draft. Excellent, because you are going to use this activity for the rest of the week and only submit on Thursday. I can't wait to see you tomorrow to learn about our next coin. Any guesses what it might be? You might be right. Happy learning. See you tomorrow.